with me for school. Okay, now I'm gonna put my clothes on. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush my teeth. Okay, so now I'm gonna floss. Now it's time to wash out my mouth. Time to do skincare. First, lotion. Okay, now it's time to use bubble.